Olivia.
What are we going to make today?
Watermelon fruit roll-ups.
Watermelon fruit roll-ups. Healthy ones, right? Let's read what's in fruit roll-ups in the store.
Sugar, maltodextrin, corn syrup, pear puree concentrate, palm oil.
2% or less of carrageenan. That's like a carcinogen. That's poison.
Yeah.
We don't like that, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that. Citric acid.
Integration, monoglycerides.
Sodium citrate.
Sodium citrate.
Acylated monoglycerides.
Acylated monoglycerides.
Maltic acid.
Maltic acid.
Xanthan gum.
Xanthan gum.
Vitamin C or absorbic acid.
Vitamin C, ascorbic acid. Blah.
Locust bean gum. Ugh.
Locust bean gum. Blah.
Potassium citrate.
Potassium citrate.
Natural flavor. That can mean anything.
Flavor.
And red 40.
And red 40.
You know what red 40 is?
No.
An artificial color. Very bad.
Blah.
Let's make our own watermelon, huh?
Yes.
Okay.
Go get the watermelon. Make sure it doesn't fall off the table.
Don't put your hands here, right? So we're just going to cut the watermelon. And we're going to blend it.
Be careful so you don't cut a finger off.
Ready?
Blend the nuts.
Well, we got to fill the blender.
Don't
So we're going to
put.
use for our fruit roll-up.
Oh. I'm a blender. I take off the cup.
All right, I set the oven to 170 Fahrenheit.
That's it. Like and subscribe. And comment. Comment if you like the video. Like, comment, and share. Good luck.
You want to turn it on?
Yes.
Flip the switch.
This one?
Yep.
Yeah.
And we don't want the parchment paper to crumple up or to stick, so we're just going to put it in some water. Okay.
Always put it in water.
All right. Let that hang out. All right. We're going to strain it off.
Yeah, strain it off. Bye.
So just this strainer doesn't catch enough of the pulp, right?
Yeah.
So put a coffee filter,
Yeah. Coffee filter.
and then that'll catch the pulp. See, that's what we want. This is what we're going to use to make the fruit roll-up, or fruit by the foot, whatever. And then the juice.
Fruit watermelon roll-up.
The who?
Fruit watermelon roll-up.
Fruit watermelon roll-up, yes.
Yeah,
We're going to use the pulp and the
because I
juice
made
we're
a
going to keep.
roll-up.
Decide we could drink that, or that's good stuff. Pour this through.
Does that make sure? What is the coffee filter for?
So we catch the pulp. We let the juice go through, like that. So once we have the pulp, we could add a little bit of sugar.
Yeah.
Or honey, any sweetener.
Anything that's sweet.
Anything that's sweet, yeah.
Make sure, if you're picking sugar, make sure to add a little bit so you don't have cavities.
There you go, put that in. Just to sweeten it a bit. One more. Taste it, tell me if it's sweet enough. A little bit. Good?
Tray.
This took just under 4 hours at 170. You probably get away with maybe 3 hours at like 200. You just want to make it have it like a fruit by the foot, that texture. Make sure it's all dried out. And then just cut it into strips. Cut it into strips, roll it up. Once you got them rolled out, put them in an airtight container. It'll last as long as it takes for your kids to eat them.